how to fix the issue where your monitor refresh rate is stuck at 60 Hz. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the solution. First, let's start with some basic checks. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure VSync is disabled. To do this, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. From the left panel, click on Manage 3D Settings. Here, look for Vertical Sync and turn it off. Next, still in the NVIDIA Control Panel, click on Change Resolution from the left panel. Under the Refresh Rate drop-down menu, select a higher option such as 120 Hz or 144 Hz if available. If this doesn't work, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Now, right-click on each graphics adapter listed and make sure they are enabled. If any adapter shows Enable Device, click it to enable the driver. Once both GPUs are enabled, try changing the refresh rate again. If the issue still persists, the most common cause is the cable you're using. An old or incompatible HDMI or DisplayPort cable can limit your refresh rate to 60 Hz. Replace your cable or switch to a high-quality DisplayPort cable, then try selecting a higher refresh rate like 120 Hz or 144 Hz if available. If none of these steps work, open Settings, go to System, and then select Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Make sure the correct monitor is selected if you're using multiple displays. Under Choose a Refresh Rate, select the highest available option. To confirm whether your monitor supports refresh rates above 60 Hz, click on Display Adapter Properties, then choose List All Modes. This will show all supported resolutions and refresh rates. If higher refresh rates are listed, you can select them from here. If higher refresh rates are not available, it usually means the cable or port needs to be changed. That's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.